All right, everybody. I'm back here with another tip Friday. This one's a quick and easy one. It's officially time for some more floor cleaner, and there was a question that kind of got asked as far as how you know how full the tank is as you're filling it. So let's get into it. All right, well, I realized that this cap underneath the bottle's sealed, which is probably for good cause and good reason, but don't forget to remove this cap. It's pretty hard to remove it, so recommend taking your trusty knife or something and getting a nice little poke. Alright, now that it's poked and you've got your cap back on, we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove the portable deep cleaner from the station. Okay, now that it's removed, if you guys recall from the last time, this is where we insert or fill our tank. So just remember, it's a little difficult kind of lifting it, a little tough with my fingernails. So I'm going to go ahead and use the blunt end of a knife or a spoon or a butter knife. Okay, so as I mentioned, someone had asked about how much cleaning fluid does it take and how full does it get. So here I have a flashlight and you can kind of see a little bit inside here. You can still see some liquid in there. Tough to see how full or empty it is. There is a nice little max fill line there. So definitely recommend using that to gauge on refilling. So I like the fact that the spout is angled to get it into the spot perfectly. So go ahead and top her up to the line, and that's exactly what you want to do. So just be sure not to go too far. Keep it right at that max fill line. From there, you want to go ahead and click it shut. All right, we're going to go ahead and put this portable deep cleaner back on, charging. Talks about how the portable deep cleaner is back on the station, and it's going to collect dust. And just like that, you're back in business. If you got any more questions, let me know. If there's any content that you want to see, feel free to hit me up.